All right, Math 256, Module 7. We are just a week away from midterm exams, so this week is going to seem a little bit lighter, I hope, so you can really be preparing for that oral exam and the Canvas portion of the exam. There's not as many assignments and they're a little bit lighter. They should be helping you tie all the things we've learned together. So, the first day of the week we'll be doing properties, and this is rated green. Most students find this lesson understandable. The hardest part is just remembering the vocabulary, and that'll just take practice. So, we've talked about some of the properties, but we're going to talk about the properties of addition, specifically addition and multiplication, and the commutative property, the associative property, the distributive property, and the identity property. Those should seem familiar to you, but be aware that you not only need to know the vocabulary and you need to be able to explain it, but you should be able to give examples as well. And then discuss whether or not there is a commutative property for division and subtraction. So that's really important, and we use these properties all the time when we do just basic arithmetic, and so it's important that we understand them, can explain them, and we use the correct vocabulary so students get used to using that vocabulary, because believe it or not, you're laying the foundation for their algebraic thinking that will take place in middle school and on through high school and higher education. So there's a fun little flower bed problem, and then so that is Mondays. So we're going to focus on properties, and it is rated green. Wednesday's lesson is rated yellow, and order of operations doesn't sound too hard, and you've definitely learned it before. But unfortunately, a lot of people have learned this idea incorrectly, or it's just very easy to make a mistake if you're not careful attending to precision. So I've rated this one yellow, even though I think with practice it's very understandable. So we're going to talk about order of operations. Make sure we know the correct mathematical way to do it. We're going to complete the assignments that we have, and we're just going to make sure we understand why the order of operations are the way they are and how they actually work. And then we'll be completing the order of operations assignment. So lots of practice on this day. Great day to come to class and ask questions and make sure you really have a strong understanding of this concept. As always, you'll check your due dates in Canvas, and you'll do that quick little exit ticket for me. All right, reach out if you need anything.